So today is the second day where it feels like spring is on its way. The woodpeckers are pecking, the birds are chirping. We've had a few visits from a few birds today. And today I'm going to take all of this really hard work of growing different herbs and a few vegetables in our garden, and I'm going to try a new process by mixing in compost, moving some plants together that like to be watered in the same amount, and then slowly planting some more plants. Obviously, as the season grows, it's February right now, so I'm not going to get too ambitious and plant out things that are definitely meant for warmer temperatures. But definitely we're going to start doing something. I already have the first two lettuce plants hardening off that will be planted out next week if the temperatures stay stable. So what we're going to look for right now is a few projects that I tried out this winter. And if you see here, I'm digging out something green. And last week it was minus 18 degrees Celsius. That's really cold. And what you see here is a little lemon tree that I planted from seed last year. And I'm gonna cover it back up for right now. I put it under a blanket of hay. And it looks like it survived the winter. This guy had less hay, same lemon tree from the same lemon that I took all the seeds out of. His leaves don't look so good. They're translucent, which means that they were definitely hit by frost. However, the main part of the plant seems to have survived really well. We'll have to see if it comes back 100%. And I got another one down here. I covered it in partial hay, and it seems to have weathered pretty well. The leaves are dark green but not translucent. However, we'll have to just see as the season goes if they keep growing or if they don't make it. Yeah, but so we have one here. This is made of wood, which doesn't transport as much heat or cold. And the terracotta pots, they transport the heat pretty well, but they can also transport the cold pretty well in comparison. And then we got some dark plastic, which should transport a little bit of heat because of the color, but not the cold so well. So we'll see what spring brings if we still got some lemon trees to talk about.